Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video where we're going to be talking about the different types of medical work experience you should aim for if you're applying to medical school. I'm Dr. Sarah Nichols, and in this video I'll guide you through the different settings you can gain experience in and explain why each one is so valuable. I'll cover GP placements, hospital shadowing, and hospice experience, what you might expect to do in each of these environments. Plus, I'll talk about some unconventional work experience options to help you think outside the box. And before we dive in, if you're interested in a more immersive experience, be sure to check out Medic Mind's Medicine Work Experience. Stay tuned to hear the code for how you can get £100 off and get hands-on experience with emergency simulations, clinical skills like suturing, and mock MMI circuits. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Let's get started. Section 1, GP placements. GP placements are a fantastic starting point. When you work in a GP practice, you get a solid understanding of primary care, which is a huge part of what doctors do. You may shadow a GP during consultations, where you'll observe patient interactions and get a feel for the day-to-day running of a GP practice. But don't just sit back and watch, get involved. You might be able to take patient histories, help with administrative tasks, or even ask questions about diagnosis and treatment options. It's also a great place to develop your communication skills, since GPs often work with patients from all age groups and backgrounds. We actually have a video about how to contact GP practices for work experience, so make sure to watch that video after this one. Follow the link in the description. Section 2, hospital shadowing. Now, if you want to get a glimpse of life in hospital, shadowing doctors and healthcare professionals in various departments is your ticket. Working in hospital allows you to witness the fast-paced environment, observe medical procedures, and see doctors make critical decisions in real time. Hospitals are also where you can gain exposure to a variety of specialties, from pediatrics to surgery to emergency medicine. Depending on where you're placed, you may get to watch surgeries, attend ward rounds, and even have some hands-on experience with appropriate supervision, of course. The important thing here is variety. Hospital placements give you a chance to see the many faces of medicine. You may also be involved in some decision-making processes, like talking to patients about their treatment options, which gives you insight into the complexities of patient care. Section 3, hospice work experience. Hospice work is something that may not come to mind immediately when you think about work experience, but it's invaluable for gaining perspective on end-of-life care. Working in hospice allows you to learn about palliative care, pain management, and the emotional support patients and families need in such delicate circumstances. Hospices often operate with multidisciplinary teams, so it's a great chance to see how various healthcare professionals collaborate to provide holistic care. You'll gain important skills like empathy, communication, and understanding the complexities of chronic illness management. Section 4, unconventional work experience. Now, not all work experience has to come from clinical settings. Volunteering at care homes, helping with special needs education, or even shadowing healthcare professionals outside the hospital environment can also be incredibly valuable. Think about your community. Have you volunteered with a local charity, worked with elderly or disabled individuals? All of these experiences demonstrate your ability to work with people, your compassion, your desire to make a difference, qualities that medical schools love to see. Now, do you remember that code I mentioned at the start of the video? Well, here it is. You can use the code SUMMER100 at checkout. You can find the link in the description. In summary, the more diverse your work experience, the better. Don't limit yourself to just one type of placement. Explore a variety of settings, from GP practices to hospices and even volunteering opportunities that will help you develop key skills. And don't forget about Medic Mind's Medicine Summer School. Get hands-on experience in clinical skills, mock interviews, and more. Use the code SUMMER100 for £100 off your booking. If you found this video helpful, you can like, subscribe, and leave a comment below on your experience with medical work placements. See you in the next video.